the pawn and phone to get it on. Everyone I spit it on, I shit it on. Call me the Duke of Earl, the Duke of Girl, but I got 'em waiting. Cause Rapunzel's hair need braiding. Fair maidens, near when they feel it still. Hit 'em with the magic wand, the bomb is real. And I'm hurling spells that I learned from Merlin. Words is made with gold and they line is sterling silver. Build up, all my energy I spread across a nation. No taxation without representation. I'm the son of a king, the son of a bitch. May some of us poor and some of us rich, cause some of us flow and some of us spit. My firstborn son gon' be a son of a prince. I'm a big bad boy, black son of a bitch. Crusaders say they coming to get barbarians with some magic tongues, carrying spears that ain't with me. So y'all can come and get me if you want me. I got gators in the moat and a fire breathing dragon behind the wall, ready to get medieval.
Like we going back to the.
Toast Doja with your best L. My music is my holy grail. I got my mic from the lady in the lake. The fake get burnt at the stake until they're well done. When titans clash, something's bound to happen. Force you to run the gauntlet. Suckers get thrown into the dungeon for frontin'. I'm your knight, what you wantin' in chromed out armor. Defending the honor of my lady in the tower. My words are powerful as the hammer of Thor. Booby trap the microphone and trap door the stage floor. With primitive weaponry, no nines or fofos, catapults and a whole lot of crossbows.
Flaming arrows represent us. Last stage of battle and we rise out the dust. Reconfigure, conquer more territory. Enemies get quartered. Catapult the fucking hot oil as ordered. It is my right because the village has bordered my sacred ground. Sir Brody Brown, knighted with an AKG. Mortal remains is what I leave behind me. Run to the mission, claim sanctuary. Bring great remorse, brave men are scary.
Like we going back to the.
Rhyme crusade, Renaissance man with the tongue like a blade. Got guillotine chops, lyrics spread through your crew like black plague and smallpox. Verbal warlock, cast a spell, make your whore hot, uncomfortable like armor on a sore spot. I won't stop till the one like Hammerlock at the helm of the round table. Distant dialogue, but I don't live no fable. Keep leery of the snakes and evil. Coming shit straight medieval.
Your citadel is now under siege with torturing whack MCs who underachieve and who don't believe. Suckers get thrown into the moat. All they wanna do is floss around and gloat. Lower the drawbridge, then release the hounds. We're coming after y'all bitches, this is how we get down. Usually me and my men are a band of merry minstrels. Right now we're here to protect the crown from you clowns and fire-breathing heathens and intruders and enemies of the empire. Doja got the shit to set the world on fire. Lyrical jousting, we coming in, battering in with our verbal battery ram. Listen to the way, you don't know who the fuck I am? Lord Doja, a far side manner at your service.
Back to the.